Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your app, on your Burnley app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do to get premium, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. We just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click on settings. We just click here on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on subscriptions here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you click here on subscribe here. So then here it's going to take you to add your card information here to get premium when you click here on add credit or debit card on your Braille app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.